Right, capo 4, key of G. 1, 2, 3, 4, C, G, D, E minor. And then for the pre-chorus, A minor. So 1, 2, 3, 4, G, E minor, D, same thing. Chorus. What's up, guys? Welcome to this tutorial. This is an amazing song that just came out today. I saw it in the New Music Friday playlist on Spotify and I was like, wow, it's cool. Should do a tutorial for this one. Gonna get them views. So basically it's a song in the key of G and uses indie type chords. And the strumming is kind of the riptide, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down. Kind of thing, and it's really fun to play, really nice. It's got a nice little shuffle to it, which is quite cool. So these voicings are pretty nice to play. I'll quickly go through them with you. The first one is that you'll notice is the C voicing. This is, he plays the 3rd fret like that. It looks like an A minor shape, but you play it. And this is a way I teach playing C a lot. I've never heard like artists actually using it. The specific one, so now and then, but it's very rare and it sounds really good. So you play this at the 3rd fret with these fingers, and then it's a C. It's actually a C major 7/G, but that's not important. You can just use it as a C in the key of G. So that's a C, and then if you move it up 2 frets, it's a D. So that's C and that's D. You could also do it can work like that as well. So C and D, and then E minor. Everybody knows E minor. And then they do this weird shape for the A minor, this one, which they play at the, that's 10, 11, 12, at the 12th fret. So these fingers are at the 12th fret. So if you look at the 2 dots, then it's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4 away from the 2 dots. If you don't want to use this shape, this is a little tough because this is not a beginner shape, right? And then they go to the same shape that they use for the C and the D. And then they go to E minor, which is the same shape as the A minor, right? 7th, 5th, and 7th fret. That A minor, you could use a normal A minor like this, and then go to a G and the E minor. That's how you could play the pre-chorus. Okay, so there's 2 ways to play the pre-chorus. The one is, or you could do both of them can work. Chorus, we're doing E minor, and then he's doing just this, like, which this chord is going to have a really complicated name, but it sounds like a B minor. So it's like, so it's like, so this would like be a G6/F sharp or something, or G/F sharp, or like G major 7. Anyway, so you could do E minor, and I like to put this finger down on the 3rd string, 2nd fret. Sounds cool. Yeah. C. And then again, E minor. the strumming, we're doing this pattern. Like I said, the riptide. Down, down, miss, up, down, down, miss, up, down, down, miss, up, down, up. Cool beans. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and I'll see you in future videos. Make sure to like and subscribe. If you want private lessons from me, check the links in the description, and I will see you on Zoom. Cheers.